How do DCML and spinothalamic pathways transmit sensory information? Imagine your body as a busy city with roads carrying messages to your brain. Two main routes handle different kinds of signals, making sure you feel everything from a gentle touch to a sharp pain. Let's explore how these pathways work to keep you aware of your surroundings. First, the dorsal column medial lemniscus pathway, or DCML for short, is like a highway for detailed sensations. It starts with special sensors in your skin, muscles, and joints. These sensors include Meissner corpuscles for fine touch, Pacinian corpuscles for vibration and pressure, and muscle spindles for sensing body position. When you touch something or move, these sensors send signals through first-order neurons with cell bodies in the dorsal root ganglia. These neurons send their signals into your spinal cord and then travel up on the same side in the dorsal columns. The fibers from the lower body go through the fasciculus gracilis, and those from the upper body go through the fasciculus cuneatus. When these fibers reach the medulla oblongata, they synapse with second-order neurons in the nucleus gracilis and nucleus cuneatus. These second-order neurons then cross over to the opposite side of the brainstem and, from a bundle called the medial lemniscus. This bundle continues upward to a part of the brain called the ventral posterolateral nucleus of the thalamus. From there, third-order neurons project to the primary somatosensory cortex in the brain's postcentral gyrus, where you consciously feel and interpret fine touch, vibration, and body position. Now, the spinothalamic pathway, also known as the anterolateral system, is like a quick route for pain and temperature signals. When you touch something hot or sharp, the first-order neurons enter your spinal cord through the dorsal roots. They synapse immediately in the dorsal horn of the spinal cord. The second-order neurons then cross over to the opposite side right away and ascend in the anterolateral part of the spinal cord. They travel upward in a bundle called the spinothalamic tract. These fibers continue their journey to the thalamus, where they synapse again. The third-order neurons then send signals to the somatosensory cortex, allowing you to feel pain or temperature. In simple terms, the DCML pathway carries detailed touch and body position signals on a route that stays on the same side of the body until it reaches the brainstem, then crosses over. The spinothalamic pathway, on the other hand, crosses over almost immediately in the spinal cord and carries pain and temperature signals quickly to your brain. Both pathways end up in the somatosensory cortex, where your brain makes sense of what your body is experiencing. Understanding how these pathways work helps us see how your body keeps you aware of everything happening around and inside you. Damage to either pathway can cause specific sensory problems, like losing fine touch or feeling pain differently, which helps doctors figure out what part of the nervous system might be affected.